I've invited my friend over and I have a lot to do. Shop for groceries, clean the house, and get ready in 2 hours. Okay, should I shop online for groceries? Nah. Not sure if they will deliver on time, and sometimes we don't get fresh products. How about endings? Our neighbor auntie said she had a very good experience shopping online from neighborhood stores. I'll try that. Shop, local, enjoy. Scan the QR code or click the link on WhatsApp. Shop from your listed neighborhood stores in your community online using nlinks. Order and pay through multiple secure payment modes. Your community, your neighborhood stores. The best part, you get 15% rewards on every purchase in your wallet when you subscribe to the nJoy Patronage Reward Program. And also get delivery at your doorstep in a jiffy. Connecting your community through commerce.